Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Dragonfly Park bringing you another YouTube video. So you've been out mowing, slashing, mulching in the field and your engine started to run a bit hot. You've noticed that on the temperature gauges rather than waiting for your engine to actually overheat and lose power. Often the cause, as you can see here, is grass, pollen, seeds and so on stuck up against the radiator grill and clogging the air from going through and doing the cooling that it's meant to. So simple solution to this is to get that material off. If you're in the field, you could at a pinch grab a stick, some leaves or so on and brush it out. Just be really careful not to damage the radiator fins. They're quite delicate. What I've done is fired up the compressor, got my air nozzle, and I'm going to give it a really good blast out with dry air. It gets all that material out, cleans the fins out so that everything can run efficiently. Now you could use a hose and water. That's not a problem as long as, again, you're careful of the fins. Except if you want to head back out into the field to keep working, if your radiator is still a bit wet, the dust is going to stick to that water, form a mud, and that's really going to affect the cooling efficiency. So for my money, if you've got it available, grab an air compressor, grab your air gun and blow it out. Shut the hood, blow off the outside vents and you're good to go. This has been Andrew from Dragonfly Park. Thanks for watching and I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, hit like and subscribe below and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.